Okay, I'm here with JB. We just recently purchased the property from him. Uh, so JB, man, tell me what was going on with the house. What was the issue with the house that made you all want to sell it?
Well, the house we've had it for years, and the issues was just needed to be remodeled all the way around. It was a virgin house, never been really touched, and had a lot of problems. I mean, just basically the plumbing problems it was just destroyed, and it was just a lot of work, which we probably did half of it, and it was just on the market, and it was just time to let it go.
All right, all right. So man, how would you say it was, working with us?
It was A1. I
Good.
can't complain. I can't
Okay.
complain.
Okay.
I'm waiting for to do some more business with y'all.
Hey, I
So.
like to hear that. I like to hear that. So
Yeah.
man, how fast was the process, for from beginning to end, signing the contract to close?
Uh, it was quick. It was quick. It was. He told me. Ken told me. 2 weeks if it's a certain thing that they don't have to look for, and if everything is straight. And I believe it was probably like 2 weeks and maybe a day or so.
Yeah, it's probably about right.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
believe that's about
yeah,
right.
yeah. About 2 weeks. Well, my mom told me a little later. I didn't know, but I mean, it was, I want to say about 2 weeks and a day or
Yeah, I
so.
think it was about 2 weeks. I think that
Hmm.
they had to find the abstract, and I think that's what
Hmm.
held up things the most. But other than that,
Yeah.
if they didn't know where the abstract was, the title company that it is,
Hmm.
it'd have been a week tops.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, it was faster than I thought it would really be. I mean, he's a man of his words. Did what he said he was gonna do in this shit. I can't complain.
Hey, there we go. There we go. Well, I
Yeah.
want to thank you, JB, for taking time out with me today.
Oh, no problem.
Man, I'm looking forward to doing more business with you
Yeah,
soon in the
yeah,
near
yeah,
future.
yeah.
Oh.